Welcome to Sarizza Factory. Let me show you how we make our tables. Each table journey starts right here with the lumber selection. So whenever you order on the website oak, walnut or ash dining table, we come right here, pick up the right boards from whatever species you ordered, and we move them swiftly into the processing. Next, we move to lumber processing, where we surface each board to get a clean edge and a straight material for the gluing process. That's where you really start to see the beautiful grain inside the wood. The processed lumber goes onto our gluing station. We apply the glue, press the boards into a panel, which then becomes your dining top. Next is our milling station, where our CNC here takes the glued panel and it mills it perfectly into the perfect shape and edge finish for our customers. We really like to use this machine because it's super precise and it gives us a perfect finish every time. The milled tabletops need to be sanded, and we do it right here. Using different sandpapers, we get the surface really smooth and to absolute perfection. So here are some of the bases that we have. We just packing them, inspecting before shipment for our customers. And this will be the last step here, the finishing. For our finish of the dining tops, we use Rubio Monocoat. We hand buff 2 layers of the oil. In my opinion, it's much better than lacquer, which other manufacturers use. It's food safe, it's very durable, non-toxic, so we don't need any spray booths. And the best part is you can still feel the wood grain. If you have any questions, contact myself or our team at Sarizza, and I hope you purchase a table really soon.